Hello. So we will see how to install DeepSeek R1 locally on your Windows machine. So it's pretty straightforward. First thing you need to do is to install Olama. To install Olama, you can go to this URL and select your OS version. For me, this is Windows. I'll click download for Windows and it will get downloaded. Once downloaded, you just install this exe and you will start to see this Olama application. And once you have this Olama application, you can check the installation by simply writing Olama. And once the Olama has been installed, you need to go to the Olama library. There you will see a lot of models. Just search for DeepSeek R1. It will list down on the DeepSeek R1 models available. For simplicity, I'll go with this 1.5p. And then you need to copy the command olama run deepseek r15p. So I'll simply copy paste the entire thing and then it will start downloading. And once the download has been completed, we can start interacting with this model. Let it download. Okay, so once the installation has been completed, the prompt will start looking like this. Send a message or for help. So you can now start questioning it. I'll just disconnect. Let's say you wanted to give me I got or to add. Hmm. Now it gave us the answer. Let us try something complicated. What should I ask? Programming I covered. Let's ask about science. Okay. Um, what are supernova? Pretty much it will cover all the basic stuff. If you want to load models with different parameters, you can simply get it downloaded from here. I am running low on my hard disk memory, so I use this. Similarly, you can use this for agentic AI experience, and that part I will cover later.